Hello again. Today we got for you a microwave. We're going to be scrapping this out. See if any of the stainless steel is non-magnetic stainless. We're looking for the transformer inside of here and all the wire, because you get more money for the wire separate on its own. And we're going to take it apart. First things first, a lot of these microwaves have fasteners on the back. Let me show you one. It looks like a funny little star drive with a little dot in the middle. Torx bits won't fit these. They do that on purpose because they don't want you taking it apart like I'm going to do. I just grab the edges with a pair of pliers and turn left until they come out. You could also take a file and file down either side so you can get a grip with pliers. Or you could just take an angle grinder and grind the head off. It'll do just the same job. All depends how you want to do it. So I've already got those out of the back. The ones on the bottom are regular Phillips head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already out. Cover loose. And that is magnetic. That goes in the regular steel pile. Just like that. Okay, so start on the bottom here because I got another tip for you. Almost all microwaves are set up like this. You see these 4 screws right here? It's always in this kind of pattern. This holds down the transformer. You can just go ahead and undo those before you can get the top off, like get the case off of the thing. Makes things a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. As always, I've got my hardware bucket here. Just makes it a lot easier. Oh, there she goes. She fell loose. Now, if you want to, since it's pretty loose, you can go ahead and pull the wires to it, or cut them any way you want to go. That's for the magnetron. And there's some more spade lugs here. What I like to do is clean if I can. But if not, oh well. Not a big deal. You like this one? There we go. One transformer. Oh, that's gotta weigh 10 pounds. My scrapyard takes these as electric motors. Some scrapyards will differentiate, but they're still the same price. They just want to get it, inventoried. But there's all copper wire in here. You can split these apart, break the welds here, but it's really not worth the effort, I've found. Copper gets up to about $3 a pound again. It might be worth it for number 2 copper. So go and snip my wires. One clean transformer ready to go. Through the screws. Okay, now we're at the bottom. And get it all separate. Well, if I have the room for it. There we go. Now let's see what we got. Ah, look. Bottom comes off just like that. Also, that steel. Got a little electric motor here, which I may hold on to because I got a project coming. Let's see if we can't make a little rotating roaster for the wife. See if maybe she'd like that. Coffee bean roaster, yeah. I should say what it's for, shouldn't I? There we go. And that's on its face. I'll get the little post out of there in a minute. I think we'll keep the wires. That's a light. Don't need that. That we can cut. Get rid of this tie. Like that. And just cut that right there. Beautiful motor. You can throw this in a motor pile too, but I'm going to keep this one. Power cord up here. Usually you can just twist this and push it through. Note I say usually, but that's not going to work, so let's see if we can do it a different way. Pull that. These ground wires are screwed on here. I don't bother. Just cut them. There's another plug. There we go. That way. Ta-da. Cut the connector off. And cut the plug end off. These prongs are usually brass. I save them. Some people do. Yeah, yellow metal. I save them up and pull them out when I have spare time, nothing else going on. Believe it or not, they add up pretty quick in the brass bucket. So we just hold on to those. Now the rest of the wire, I just go ahead and start the yanking. Pull it off, yank it, cut it, whatever. Just like that. Let's just see what's in here. This control unit's not worth much. Someday I'm going to take electronic scrap. You could pull that out. That's low-grade board. It's not a lot a pound. Last time I checked, it was like 12 cents a pound. I have no electronic recyclers in my area, believe it or not. There's nothing I can access. Come on. There's my little connector for that little motor. Door's falling off. That's okay. Just close that back up. And like I said, I like to work clean, but I don't waste a lot of time. Just cut them. Cut them, cut them, cut them. I'm more interested in just getting it done. There. A couple more up here. Black one. That all goes to the same place. Cut. Get that one. Come here, you. Oh, wire. Insulated wire right now is about 25 cents a pound. That's why I do it. It adds up. Got a fan here. Another motor. Could take that apart. Got the fan right off. That's junk. And there's a couple of screws holding that in there. Wow. Long. There we go. No little electric motor. Actually weighs about a ½ pound. Again, they add up. Steel, plastic junk. Now, this is the magnetron. This is what makes your microwave work. Alright, now some people take these apart. They'll break them off of here, break them all apart, and because mostly, I'll see if I can show you this. See the little round rings in there on either side? The gray ones? Those are magnets. In between those, running in there, this is aluminum, by the way. There's an aluminum round piece, usually with a pink coating on it. You don't want to fool with that. That's selenium. You don't want to touch it with your bare hands. If you even scratch it, it gets airborne in a hurry, and if you breathe it in, ingest it, either way, it's bad, bad, bad. Super bad. Big time cancer causing agent. I don't do it, I leave it alone. I've done it before, it's not worth the effort. Just have a couple magnets which may have selenium powder on it. No thank you. Not doing it. So there you go, that's the magnetron. You can see that's made by a famous name right there. Out of Korea. But that's pretty much it. Microwave stripped, rest of this is steel, junk. Put in your regular steel. So that's how you scrap a microwave, guys. Thanks again for watching. Might have a little bit more for you later on. See ya.